nasty movement on that far side. Oh, great top ball to find what looks a good run. Here's Chiesez, great first touch! Didn't quite work out. So close to being a stunning opener. Underside of the bar, and didn't cross the goal line. Oh, he did well, Chiesez. The pass was spot on the money then he works hard to get into a shooting position. How's that first touch? Williams may have had the slightest of touches. Did that cross the line? It looks as though it may very well have. It's a banger. Could very well be a banger that spun out from over the line. Patiently we wait. Brilliant from Chiesez. Quality in the ball. And then magic in what follows after that. Oof. Did the entire circumference of the ball cross the goal line? That is the question. VAR will take their time with this. They were in action in the first half, if you weren't with us then. And while they've got a decision to make here. What a moment against the run of play here. That first touch, a blinding touch, and that strike could very well be one of the goals of this year's Champions League campaign here. So, decision made, and it'll be in favor of the home side. By the look of it, the entire circumference of the ball needs to have crossed the goal line, keep in mind. Unlucky for Gamondi.